behind and who has to catch up. And then the metrics part will give us an idea about how many issues are coming on a monthly basis, because we are capturing it on a monthly basis. A report is being circulated and which is prepared. So I will just also tell you about the metrics and the roadmap ahead. Roadmap ahead is that now we are, as of today, where should we go ahead? Like 31st May is the final date for deployment for entire modules. So how do we achieve the 31st May target date? That also we'll discuss, and there are certain risks and expectations which is expected from all the nodal officers here. So that we'll gradually discuss that. So this is just a reiteration of the entire session which we had in the morning. So all the change requests, we had 4 change requests. So change request 4 is the final one, which is also completed except the admin module, where the changes are yet to be finalized and given to the group. And as you are all aware that pilot of crime ground order traffic modules are in progress from 1st January 2011 in all 18 pilot locations. And the usage-wise, all these 18 districts, they have been tremendously supporting us in using this bullet training module, which we will see just in the next forthcoming slide. Training module pilot, which we have started long back on 4th of October, the usage has been quite good except a couple of training units. I think we will be speaking to them in this after this nodal officer meet. So they will also start, I guess they will also start using it, and maybe in a month or 2 times they will pick it up. And also, I don't know how many of you are aware that finance and stores module pilot we have started on 31st March. So as 31st March we have started, so this is basically predominantly should be used by all the districts. So finance module, as the initial exercise, what we have done is we have uploaded the budget book for financial year 2011-2012. So chief office will do all the allocation of the funds through police ID only. And the district has to do all the billings like AC bill, DC bill. There are few districts who are actually using it. The districts, other districts who are not using it, please support this application so that it will be used and it will be easy for chief office for final consolidation. Otherwise, they have to do a lot of manual work. And the MIS model, as you know, it is overlaid across all these 11 modules, which will give you all the statistics and and the usage part of it. And it is actually a developing module. So what will happen is, I think, based on nodal officer feedback, we will be adding and deleting, or we'll be introducing a lot of changes in that. Because as a nodal officer, what is that you wanted to see in that module? Because your superior officer will definitely ask, like, these are things I want in a monthly basis or weekly basis. Now, as a nodal officer, if you want to monitor your usage or your functionalities in a district, you want some report. So this is actually a very good bet. So to start. So total trained people, as IDPC officer has already told, we have around 11,775 users we have already trained, and this is the brief bifurcation across various modules we have trained. So crime module stands apart. We have trained around 6,000 plus people, which actually constitutes of 70% of the entire software. Usage wise, if you see the usage wise, this is a usage of entire crime module, which has been, apart from the pilot location, there are other enthusiastic districts who have been using crime module, for which I think we are facing all this network issues and stuff like that because of this. But it's a good sign because people are actually using this module apart from this pilot. So the district which stands apart is traffic test, Bangalore City, Mandya, East Division, South East Division, Tumkur, Gulbarga, Chitradurga, everybody is predominantly using, and moreover they are using all the screens. See, some traffic based is not using this MOB and sheet register over, which has been predominantly used by Gulbarga, if you observe in this statistics for India. So what I request each and every person to just see and use all the screens, because today you may face difficulty in using the screens for initial maybe a week or 2 or a month or 2, but later once you get accustomed to it, once you are familiar with all the screens, I think it should actually ease your life. So similarly for law and order, it is predominantly used at Gulbarga, KGF, East Division, so this is statistic. And IG sir has already told that there is an award which will be nominated and which will be given to nodal officer or a unit officer and system administrator. So this will be based on the statistics which we will be sending to DG every month, and there is a panel behind it which will check the progress and usage of all the modules across district wise. So this is similarly for traffic. Traffic is predominantly used in Bangalore City and other districts as well, Udupi and Tumkur as well. But Bangalore City, there are few traffic police stations who are not using this traffic module. I think they have used it long back and they have stopped it. I request them to once again start using this traffic module, because it is actually very good, because spot fine everything. Because I'll tell you there is a reason why I'm telling all this. It is there in the finance. I think we have only started. You can actually see the budget allotment which we have done for chief office. So allotment has all been done. So chief office will again start allotting the funds and to all the districts. So district let us use, because AC bill, DC bill, if you see from the statistics, it is used by Udupi and Bangalore districts. apart from that, nobody is using this AC bill or DC bill. So as a nodal officer, please use all these functionalities which are there in finance module in police IT, which will help each and every one of you.
You take a usage report from them on a daily basis or bi-weekly basis.
Yeah, this is actually from the backend, so I'll also coordinate with each and every one of you to actually get into the nuts of it and take the usage statistics as well. Stores, we have just started it, so we have initially entered all the item masters and everything. So all the procurement and this thing, e-procurement anyway we are using, so all the stock details, everything has to be updated from all the districts. Because only few people are using it, Haveri, Gulbarga and this Shimoga districts, only few people are using it. Other people, they have to start using it as soon as possible. Then only we can measure the success of pilot and the usage of models. And training module is actually being used nicely across 4 training institutions, except other modules, I think, other training locations, I think we are facing some network issue or such. And other training issue, I think TTR Bangalore we have recently trained, so they will also start using it. So the screens and everything is apart, so please start entering this course master, subject master and everything, the training details. It will actually help you out in managing all the training. And administration module as such. And administration module, actually the change requests are yet pending, but the employee master screens are very well updated by all the employees. I think 99% of the people have updated the employee master. I think there are still more updation required. And secondly, since crime module has been deployed in all the pilot locations, so this promotion transfers are, which is very frequently happening in police department. So there is a screen which we have provided from front end itself, because there is no need, because we don't do any back end update now. Everything is provided in the front end so that it is all tracked, because tomorrow one person is logging an FIR with one KGID, so tomorrow he is transferred, he is not transferred, everything is maintained in a log system for an audit purpose. So if this promotion and transfer, strength and relocation, everything is already provided in the stream as part of admin module, except other things. So please start using this details, because it will actually help you out. Because instead of you depending upon helpdesk team and helpdesk sending it to Wipro, it is a long process. It will take 2-3 days. You can actually save 2-3 days by doing it on your own. It will actually take 5-10 minutes for you to do a promotion transfer of a single employee, not more than that. So please start using it. This is the metrics which you have collected from okay. So this is for crime and traffic modules. You see. So this we have launched in 5 units. For pilot we have launched 5 units in November 2010. So now we have extended the pilot to 18 units on January 1st, 2011. And as you see, the issues are drastically reduced. There are hardly 12 issues which is reported in crime model in March 2011, and month of April is progressing. The issues are reduced drastically, apart from any downs or modifications which are required. But the existing system, it is pretty stable. So please start using all the functionalities whichever has been provided to you. And as and when the modifications, changes will always come in software. So as a nodal officer, whatever best change that you want to order, please send a mail to us or we will definitely take up the next phase and we'll get it implemented, so that which will ease your usability and functionality as well. This is for the other modules which you have prepared long back during the month of April 2010. AR-MT wireless. So in March 2011, there are hardly any issues reported to us. So the modules are pretty much stable. It takes at least 3 to 4 months for a stabilization period, where the issues and usage wise everything. So once people are very comfortable with all the modules and usage, things will be very simple. So where do we go ahead from here? So now crime law module will be deployed in phases. Phase 2, Phase 3, Phase 4. Phase 2 we have some districts mentioned here, Uttar Kannada, Bidar, Bijapur, Nagarpur. So the pilot will be predominantly starting at 15th April. And the phase, as part of Phase 3, Ramnagar, Raichur, Belgaum, Dharwad, Bellary, everybody will be starting their pilot at 25th April. And Phase 4, why we have kept at 31st May is these are special events which we have to train. Like Yadagiri district is one, and railways, excess, lottery, forest, coastal security, police and safety. So first we will be providing training during this month, during this 2-month period, and then they will start using the pilot. Similarly, for finance Phase 1 we have already started on 31st March 2011. So please start using finance module as well as those modules. And training for finance will be provided so ASRP and special unit, which is actually in progress for 6th April. So once the training everything is over, so they can also start using this finance and stores module as well. So this is the other status, which is the training module which is being deployed and used. Administration module changes are still yet to be handed over to Wipro. Apart from strength and allocation transfers, you can start using it. And MIS model is actually, it will keep on going. So that till 31st May, I think everything, it's not even 31st May, 31st May is just a date which is mentioned, but I think it will carry on. And as IG sir has already told you, the final goal of police implementation is 31st May, so that is what we are looking for completion, as instructed by DG as well. Yeah, then everybody. So earlier I spoke to you regarding the integration. Integration has been, as part of challenge fund which is already spoken to by IGP sir. So these are the modules, these are the legacy system which will be integrating with police ID, e-beat. Like when people go with vehicle, as somebody has already mentioned, GPS AVLS. So vehicle, when they attach some device to this vehicle, so already all the vehicle information is captured. So now in police ID, people are entering it manually. So once this integration is over, automatically the kilometer travel and everything will be captured in police system. So it will actually reduce everybody's effort in entering in police ID as well. So everything will be automated here. So similarly for e-beat, whenever a person is going for a field duty, right now the field duty is entered manually in police ID. So this will also get automated. So this is a step ahead with what we are looking at. So whatever it is as good as something like this. Whatever food we have in our plate, first we have to finish that. We cannot ask for more food until unless we finish the existing food in the hand. So that is the case. So there are obviously some risk and expectation for nodal officers. There is a health service team which is already in place. So they are gearing up because since these 3 modules crime and traffic are implemented, so they are gearing up and they will pick up speed. So your resolution of issues and stuff like that will drastically come down. And I think SCRB is trying to implement something called the issue and call monitoring, volume monitoring tool. So this will actually, instead of every district person, every person sending an email, they can actually log an issue in this call logging system, so that the issue will be directly seen at SCRB. So that is actually a good thing, which will actually reduce the email chains and stuff like that. And then anyway, there is a central aggregation bandwidth. I think people who don't know, they have a 10 Mbps bandwidth here, which is actually connected. So all your internet, Zynga, police ID, everything is used across this 10 Mbps bandwidth. So there is an update activity which is actually put up across. So that will carry on within a month or 2 or something. It will take. It will be updated to 45 Mbps. So some people are reporting a slowness issue in this network because some units are working fine, some units doesn't work fine due to this connectivity and stuff like that. So that will all be sorted out. So basic expectation for nodal officers, I think it is just a reiteration of whatever meeting we have, whatever discussion we have in the morning. It's a weekly meeting with all respective system administrators and end users. I think as a nodal officer, you have to catch every system administrator's neck and ask them what is the progress and stuff like that. So this will actually help system administrator also to get who's saying that yes, somebody is asking me, because until the senior officer asks the junior officer will never start working on their own. So that is the trend which is followed across entire India as well. So there is no exception to police. So ensure the train end users, see, a lot of transfers are happening. So who are the end users in your particular department who are already trained? Please ensure that they train at least 2 or 3 people in your own department in various modules. So that the persons who are actually getting transferred, as DG sir has already mentioned, this transfer people who are actually getting transferred. So please make sure that your unit, to please train at least a single module. Somebody has to be familiar with at least 2 to people, 4 or 5 people has to be familiar with a single module. So that it will help in case of any transfer. This police application will still run fine. And monitor daily statistics. There is an MIS. I think system administrator has presented something called MIS module. They have taken the statistics. So as a nodal officer, what I suggest is every morning if you can just log into the system and check the MIS or ask somebody to get a printout of MIS dashboard, you will come to see what are the things which is happening in your module, how many FIRs are logged, how many vehicles are under repair or something like this. So anybody who is asking you, at a tip of a finger, you can answer. And going forward, I think from next week or predominantly from next week, I'll be sending a daily status email to each and every nodal officer, unit officer, system administrator, and one to IGP PCW as well, and a monthly statistics to DG as well. So DG will be aware of what is happening across each and every district. So he will also be closely monitoring this entire implementation. So because he is very clear that he wants to implement this entire police ID by 31st May. So this is a small winning is not everything, but effort to win is. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you, Deepak. These issues related to development of police IT, which